Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to download Instagram Reels. If you want to download the Reels so you can post them on your social media, WhatsApp or maybe somewhere else, I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to just simply open the Instagram app. Once the app gets open, then you have to simply go to the Reel section or maybe go to the specific Reel that you want to download. So to download any reel, what you have to do is you have to simply get its link or you can go to that share option. If you click onto the three dots, you may not get any option because recently the options have been changed for download to that share icon. Once you click onto it, then there you will see the option for download. But as you can see here, we don't have it. This is because this content creator has restricted their content to be downloaded. Then I'll show you how you can also download such videos that are restricted. But first, I'm gonna show you the videos that are not restricted. So here you can see the video. I clicked onto that share icon and here is the option for download. If you see this option, then simply download it from this option. This is the easiest way. You don't have to use any third-party app and your video will get downloaded. But let's say you have this reel and it do not have that option for download. You have to simply copy its link, simply get back and go to the browser. And there you have to search for video download Instagram. Once you search for it, you will get different links. You can go to any one of these websites. Usually go to first or second link, open the website, paste the link and then click on to download option. And after that it will take a while in fetching the video that we have just pasted. Then you will again see the option to download, click onto it. Then it will hardly take like few seconds and the downloading will start. Once it is done, you have to click onto it and you will see the video will get downloaded. So here we have two options. Either you can download a video directly from Instagram if it has the option for download, otherwise you can just simply use the third party app. So that's how you can use Reels from Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.